Benefits of goat farming. Goat farming is a highly rewarding and sustainable agricultural practice that offers multiple benefits to farmers and the environment. Its low-cost setup, adaptability, and versatile outputs make it an ideal choice for small-scale and large-scale farmers alike. 1. Low investment and maintenance. Goat farming requires minimal investment compared to other livestock farming. Goats need less space, simpler shelter, and fewer resources to thrive. They can survive in diverse climatic conditions and subsist on a wide variety of vegetation, reducing the cost of feed. This makes goat farming accessible even to farmers with limited financial resources. 2. Multiple income streams. Goats provide several products that generate income, including meat. Goat meat, or chevon, is lean, nutritious, and widely consumed, ensuring a consistent demand. Milk. Goat milk is rich in nutrients and easier to digest, making it popular in specialty markets and for medicinal uses. Fiber. Some breeds produce high-quality fibers like cashmere and mohair, which are used in premium textiles. Manure. Goat manure is an excellent organic fertilizer that can be used on farms or sold to other farmers. These multiple income sources reduce dependency on a single market, enhancing financial stability. 3. Rapid reproduction and growth. Goats have a high reproductive rate, with many breeds capable of producing twins or triplets in a single pregnancy. This rapid growth allows farmers to expand their herds quickly, increasing production and profits within a short time frame. 4. Adaptability and resilience. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to various environmental conditions. They can graze on shrubs, weeds, and other vegetation that may not be suitable for other livestock, making them ideal for areas with scarce grazing resources. Their resilience to harsh climates and varying diets ensures steady productivity. 5. Employment and livelihood generation. Goat farming provides employment opportunities in rural areas, contributing to poverty alleviation. It also empowers women and smallholder farmers by offering a steady income and improving household food security. 6. Environmental benefits. Goats help in land management by controlling weed growth and reducing fire hazards in dry regions. Additionally, their manure enriches the soil, promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Conclusion. Goat farming is a sustainable and profitable venture with low investment, diverse income streams, and ecological advantages. It not only supports farmers financially but also contributes to food security and rural development, making it a valuable addition to the agricultural sector.